Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 2 using the elements from the January 2026 paper pumpkin kit called Special Delivery. So we are going to take one of these envelopes and make a really cute little gift bag with it. I've done this before with the envelopes. But if you wanted to stamp anything in here or write anything on here before you build it, best bet to do it before you actually shape the envelope. So I'm going to use this little sprig of forget-me-nots. I've already stamped the heart line in blueberry bushel, and that's how I'm going to decorate the front. Super simple for decorating the front, but it's all about really how we do the envelope. So we're going to score at a 1/2 inch all the way around the closed sides. So press down, but then lighten it up as you get into the top of the envelope so that you don't punch through the paper. Okay, and then we're going to do the bottom as well at that 1/2 inch mark. Okay, and then we're just going to pop this out of the way. And we're going to fold both ways on that score line. Okay, so that score line, fold it over, fold it back, same as this one, fold it over, fold it back. Okay, then we're going to pop this out, and we're going to make sure we're creased really well on those fold lines at the bottom there. And we're just going to pinch the corners until we get a nice crisp point in that corner. So just keep working it until you're kind of lined up with your fold lines. And then we're going to give that a good push just to make sure we're crisped up. And then we're going to put some tear and tape on the bottom. So I'm just going to grab a couple of small pieces of tear and tape. You can use glue if you want to. Whatever your preferred method of adhering things down is, that's going to hold this. So I just need one more piece of tear and tape, just a little small one here. And we're going to pop it down on this point here. Okay. Peel that off. And we're going to just put your hand inside and just fold that over and give it a good push. I'm going to do the same on this side. Fold that over and give it a good push. Then we're going to want to kind of concave the bottom a little bit, and we're going to concave the sides. So they go in like this. Come on, there we go. And then we fold over our envelope top, and that is our gift bag. Just like that. So we've got a little bit of space inside, and you can seal this however you want. You can use the glue on the envelope, you can use an adhesive dot, you could put a sticker over this to seal it if you want. I am just going to go ahead and do the front. This is going to flat mount down. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on this here. And it is going to go across like this. It's going to extend past that one edge. I'm just going to rub the excess glue off there. Okay, that's going to go down like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize our little forget-me-nots here. So I'm going to pop, just like in the project videos, I'm going to pop one dimensional in each of the flowers. We'll peel those off. You could add ribbon to this if you wanted to. You could put some bling on if you want to. But this, I just love these little forget-me-not flowers. I might need to reorder the kit just so that I can get, or do the refill for it, just so that I can get some more of these flowers. So that ends up being our finished project using one of the envelopes to make ourselves a little gift bag. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.